Hey, this is Bonnie, Communications Director for MarineMax Sail Ski, and we are at our Lakeway location today. We're just going to give you a little peek at your on the way to the lake store. We've got everything you need. You need a new pair of water shoes or flip-flops? We've got them. If you're on the way to the lake and one of the kiddos decides they're ready to try wakeboarding, full-size runs of wakeboards. And check out our selection of wake surfers. We've got skim boards, hybrid boards, surf style boards, you name it, we've got it. Not sure your rope is still in good condition from last year? No problem, we've got them. Looking for new fenders, extra dock lines? Our parts and accessories department is very robust. We've got a full line of detail products, including local company Hula Boat Care, oil filters, batteries, everything that's going to keep you going all weekend long. If you're looking to get a little more high-flying action, check out our incredible selection of inflatables. Everything you need to send the kids flying. If you're looking to get on the water a little differently, we've got something for you too. Check out our excellent selection of boat boards. Stand-up paddle boards and accessories for everyone. As you can see, our lake store has everything you need to get on the water, stay on the water, and have a great time. As always, this is Bonnie, and I will see you at the lake.